If you own Mercedes C-Class 203 or Mercedes CLK 209 and you want to replace bulbs, maybe to update them to LEDs if you do not like how bright it is, this would be a small tutorial how to do it. Let's start by removing this part, and I would use plastic trim removal tool, and there's a small gap here that you just put this tool in and wiggle it a bit, and this part will come down. Be careful, you can drop suddenly and you can break it. You could use a flat screwdriver for this as well, and now we have access to the first bulb. And it's very easy to remove this one. These are common bulbs and you can find it everywhere, C5W. Now what we want to add, some LED light bulbs to compare how bright it is. And let me try to take and use one. This one it doesn't work, but what you need to know is that LED bulbs are polar sensitive. So you need to really compare how you put them. And now you see that it started work immediately. And let's try if it works now. Yes, it's very nice, super bright. When we replace this one, now we can switch to this two here. In order to drop this down, you would pull these two clips and push it to that side, and you will see this drops down. So when you pull one, you would see it activates this clip here. And now, in order to replace the bulbs here and here, you just rotate it. And these are T10 bulbs. Now we can use LEDs. If you want to replace this bulb, you just pull it out. That's simple. And now what I got is I got a bunch of LEDs from Temu in order to replace every single light bulb in my car if I need. And then I got few variants. I'm not sure which one will work best, but I choose the biggest one. So I hope this one is the brightest. And also this bulb is polar sensitive, so in case it doesn't work when you put it like this, you just take it out and switch it and put it like this. So let's see if this will work and how bright it actually is. After adding the bulb, let's see how it works. And I really prefer LEDs, just look nicer in this whole assembly. So if you decided which one you want to choose and what you want to go for, now you want to put this back, and basically there's one small thing to consider. So this plastic needs to fit in this slot here, so you would put that one first and now put the cables in and just press it. The final step would be to put this bulb cover, and please be careful, this can easily break these clips here. This one is already broken on my side, but yeah, one will hold. I would order a new part, but in order to put this back, clips would go in this hole and this hole here. So please align everything beforehand and then easily press this in, and you would hear this click and it will work.